Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. And Excellency Abi Hanifida as a director of Center Program Hanifida, and Honorable to my teacher of senior and junior high school Hanifida, and respectable to my parents, my mom, my dad, my brother, and my friend for my mom. So here I would like to present my imagination map under the title is the cows, teggers, and three jars of sneezing. So, what is sneezing? Sneezing is the most common fraction in our body, and sneezing is simply an involuntary release of air that helps the body to get rid of irritation. Then the sneezing activities we see an uptick when we got allergen or cold. So these triggers can range from dirt, dust, debris, and even nasal spray. Then there is sneeze reflex. So our body are complex machine. So while we sneezing, just feel like something we do in our body. And our body will performing many steps to make that fraction happen. Then sneezing starts with irritation of the nasal lining, sensed by cilia of the cell. So what is cilia? Cilia is hair-like structure found on surface, and that can detect irritation. So when we sneezing, the receptor send signal to sensory trigeminal nerves to the sneezing center in the lateral medulla of the spinal cord. Then there's two different nerve signals. The first is dispersed via motor nerves to peritoneal and respiratory muscle causing is that we can sneeze. Then and the other is transmitted via parasympathetic nerves, increasing nasal and throat section. So before the sneeze, pressure pull up your chest, and your chest will compress your lungs, and your vocal cord will close. So after that, the vocal cord suddenly open, the air driven up to lungs and to respiratory through nose at high speed, and your eyes will shut, and your diaphragm will move upward, and your chest muscles will contract, and you will sneezing. So that's the process. And when you're sneezing, the air allows 1,000 particles, and with that particle, you can spread sickness. Okay. Then when you're sneezing, cover your sneeze with your upper arms or your elbow, or you can use tissue or something. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.